I'll make this lesson very easy. Click the subscribe button and watch this lecture for better understanding. Rules for assigning oxidation number or oxidation state. What is oxidation number or oxidation state? The number of electrons gained or lost when an atom combined with another atoms is called oxidation number or oxidation state. Let me give you different example. Sodium atom has 11 atomic number and its electron configuration mean shell 281. 1 is the valence electron of sodium atom, which is found in outermost shell. But the valence of sodium is also 1. That means sodium atom loses 1 electron to have 8 electron in its outermost shell. Therefore, sodium loses 1 electron and forms sodium ion. This sodium ion has 8 electron in its outermost shell, and the oxidation number of sodium ion is +1. Chlorine atom has atomic number of 17 and electron configuration mean shell 287. 7 is the valence electron of chlorine atom, but the valence of chlorine atom is 1. That means chlorine needs 1 electrons to have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Therefore, chlorine atom gain 1 electron to form chloride ion. Now chloride ion has 8 electrons in its outermost shell. The oxidation number of chloride ion is -1. Phosphorus atomic number 15. Electron configuration mean shell 2, 8, 5. 5 is the valence electron of phosphorus atom, but the valence of phosphorus atom is 3. That means phosphorus needs 3 electrons to have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Phosphorus atom gains 3 electrons and forms phosphorus 3- ion. The oxidation number of phosphorus 3- ion is -3. Aluminum atomic number 13. Its electron configuration 2, 8, 3 in main shell. The valence electron of aluminum atom is 3. And again, the valence of aluminum atom is 3. That means aluminum loses 3 electrons to form aluminum +3 ions. Therefore, aluminum atom loses 3 electrons and forms aluminum +3 ions. The oxidation number of aluminum +3 is +3, and aluminum +3 ions has 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Oxygen atom atomic number 8. Electron configuration mean shell 2, 6. The valence electron of oxygen atom is 6, but the valence of oxygen atom is 2. Means that oxygen needs 2 electrons to have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Therefore, oxygen gains 2 electrons and forms oxygen -2 ion. This oxygen -2 ion is the oxidation number of oxygen atom. Valence is the combining power of an atom. Therefore, oxidation number is valence of an atom. Oxidation number could be 0, positive, negative, or rational number. Basic rules for assigning oxidation number or oxidation state. There are 118 elements in model periodic table. All these 180 elements in free states have 0 oxidation state, because all these free elements are electrically neutral. That means they consist equal number of protons and electrons in an uncombined state or in free state. Let me give you different example. Magnesium is uncombined element or free element. which consists equal number of protons and electrons. Therefore, the oxidation number of magnesium is 0. Hydrogen, electrically neutral element or free element, and consists equal number of protons and electrons. Therefore, oxidation number of hydrogen is 0. Iron has 26 protons and 26 electrons in free state. Therefore, the oxidation number of iron is 0. Chlorine has 17 protons and 17 electrons in free state. Therefore, the oxidation number of chlorine is 0. This rule number 1 works for the atomic molecule. Chlorine in chlorine molecule has 0 oxidation number. Phosphorus in phosphorus molecule has 0 oxidation number. Oxygen in ozone molecule has 0 oxidation number. Sulfur in sulfur molecule has 0 oxidation number. The second rules for assigning oxidation number. For monoatomic ions are ions that's made from only one atom. The oxidation number is equal to the charge on the ion. Sodium ion has +1 charge, therefore its oxidation number is +1. Aluminum ion has +3 charge, therefore its oxidation number is 3. Sulfur ions has -2 charge, therefore its oxidation number is -2. Nitrogen ion has 3 charge and its oxidation number is -3. Oxygen usually has an oxidation number of -2 in most compounds. For example, in nitric acid, water, carbon dioxide, in all this compound, oxygen has -2 oxidation number, but there are exceptional. Oxygen peroxide has -1 oxidation number. Oxygen in superoxide has -1/2 oxidation number. Oxygen in oxygen difluoride has +2 oxidation number. Hydrogen has +1 oxidation number in metal hydride, example potassium hydride, magnesium hydride, and aluminum hydride. But hydrogen with non-metals has -1 oxidation number. For example, in hydrogen chloride, hydrogen has +1 oxidation number. In water, hydrogen has +1 oxidation number. In sulfuric acid, hydrogen has +1 oxidation number. The sum of oxidation numbers in any neutral compound is equal to 0. For example, sodium chloride is a neutral compound. The oxidation of sodium is +1, the oxidation of chloride is -1. Therefore, their sum is equal to 0. Oxidation number of sodium plus oxidation number of chloride is equal to 0. Carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2, but that of carbon is +4. Therefore, +4 we have to oxygen, 2 times -2 equal to 0. In calcium phosphate, we have 3 calcium, 2 phosphorus, and 8 oxygen. But the oxidation number of calcium is +2. The oxidation number of phosphorus is +5. The oxidation number of one oxygen atom in calcium phosphate is -2. Now, 3 into 2 plus 4 calcium plus 2, we have 2 phosphorus times 5 plus 5. 8, we have 8 oxygen times -2 equal to 0. 6 times 2, 3 times 2 plus 6 plus 2 times plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 times -2 -16 plus 16 plus -16 equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. That is confirmed. The sum of oxidation number in polyatomic ion equals the charge on the ion. For example, hydroxide ion. In hydroxide ion, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2, that of hydrogen is +1. So, -2 plus +1 is equal to -1. -1 equal to -1. And the oxidation number of in hydronium ion is equal to plus 1. The oxidation of hydrogen in hydrogen minus plus 1. The oxidation number of oxygen in hydrogen minus 2. Therefore, 3 times plus 1 plus minus 2 equal to plus 1. 3 plus 3 plus minus 2 equal to plus 1. Plus 1 equal to plus 1. Thank you.